Feed the damn ducks. Is that one messed up? Oh. Come on, Ronnie. Go feed these damn ducks. Oh, man. Freezing out here. It's damn freezing. It's too cold to even be out here. It's damn cold. Yeah, where's the I seem to have lost. I've lost the I lost their bread. Where's their bread? I completely lost it. Oh, there. The bread section. There 30 degrees out here. It's 30 damn degrees. Bring up the garbage, feed the ducks. What the else do I need? How am I gonna do all this? Disclaimers. Please ain't meant to disparage. Not disparaging any group. Whatever. Promote rape. None of that shit. Jeez, what the hell's wrong with this? These damn ducks. Frickin' boring out here. It's so cold. Shit. Oh, I gotta bring out the garbage. Ain't got enough hands either. We burned through 1.5 pounds of propane last night. I only bought 2 pounds. Didn't even last one night. Go feed these damn ducks. Which way we're gonna want to go here? Go this way. Let's go this way. What can I do out here? Nothing. Hello, neighbor. It's one way. It's damp. It's cold. It's cold and it's damp. Oh, here's where I was before. Look at this. This is where me and Dickhead were. Look at the fucking pole. I went to plug something, it just fell over. And this one's like it too. Everything's falling apart. Oh, it looks better with this silver screen. This place for sale. I looked at one place here, they want $9 grand for it. And it's $3 grand a month or $3 grand a year. It's a lot. Or 3,600. The place is absolutely depressing. That place for sale. Is this coming in at all? We're on cellular service now because I'm out of the Starlink fail range. There's a little clubhouse over here, I guess. And maybe sit down there and do a stream. Alright, thank you. Thanks a lot. I'm bored out of my mind here. Bored, I'm cold. I'll go back to the other place. I wouldn't want to live here. Ain't gonna work. Look at that flag, it's all falling apart. Yeah, before I dropped out. And these are people's just their secondary places. That's nice. I saw a Forest River class last night. They were like $29,000, $30,000. Only like 50,000 miles on it. It was a 2015. I gotta get something together. It ain't in Florida, that's for sure. These damn ducks. Yeah, that'd be nice. It's like Chris's RV, the mini Winnie. And they all leak. So the top's all capped off. My hands are frozen. I was gonna bring the printer out and start printing some stuff today. I think the ink would freeze. Like this thing is Safari. This guy's always here in the other place. It's all freaking gothic and shit. Got devil horns on it. Antelope horns. A motorhome. You got a motorhome now? Or just the van? I can't keep up. Yeah, it's fucking junkyard time. Hey, these things just fall apart. They ain't meant for full-time living. They're meant for like 2 weeks out of the year. Take your family on vacation and put it in a covered area and they still rot. Just fall apart. This is summer. So we're wrapping up week 195 of my criminal case. No one's done anything. Just sitting there untouched by all these courts. Totally untouched. I don't see any ducks. They're usually all right here. Oh yeah, the mice. Yeah, they'll fuck things up. Yeah, the squirrels got my friend's F350, and they ate his whole wiring harness. The truck's just been sitting there. Man, I don't see any ducks. They're always right here. They were way up past the gate the other day. Maybe they all took off. Find them. Should have brought a drink. This sucks. They're always right here. Check up before it goes a good distance, right? I gotta totally rebuild mine. The same story as any other day. Can't get back to the shop. My rent has doubled at that shop since I moved in there. Doubled. It's fucking doubled. I'm paying what I paid on my mortgage. For a 1,700 square foot house, 2 bed, 2 bath, 2 car garage. To a fucking 1 car garage for the same price. Yeah, these ducks aren't even around. Stupid ducks. Oh, here you are. There's 2 of them. Come here, you 2. There's a baby over there, too. Here. Smarten up. Smarten up. I'm not gonna smarten up. Oh. I got bread for you. There's always like geese out here and shit too. Or you don't want to eat the food? Go find the geese. Stupid assholes. Stupid ducks. Howdy and stuff. Let's find these geese. Man, those ducks are stupid as hell. Stupid ducks. Stupid idiot ducks. They're stupid morons. I don't know if you can get in over here. They're all up by the entrance. Now they're gonna go get the bread. And now they're eating it. They could have had a whole meal if they were just friendlier. Check the weather. It's not gonna warm up till freaking March. Up here it's bitter cold. There's some, I think. Yeah, they probably flew all down south. They'll be all smart and stuff. I can't see it. There's 2 of them out there. Well, this is bullshit. Now, there's usually hundreds of these things. Hundreds and hundreds. Oh, look around, they got a friggin' water slide here. It probably hasn't been open since 1980. goes under the... It's under the frickin'... Oh, this must have been where the pool is. Or was. A whole ass water slide. Hands frozen off. If we would find him over here, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back in a shanty town. Yeah, I don't even think they're over here. Yeah, these things are all gone. We were right over here the other day. There's no more. And they got another clubhouse up here. It's totally shut down. Can't get over there. And no ducks anyway. Right. That's nice runner right there. Sundance. You're never moving that thing. Top messages. Top messages. Sherry Amy. This one's constant. It's cold. My van's full of mold too. I gotta remediate. Can't do that without a shop. Can't do that without all my tools and equipment. They're torturing me out here. The government's torturing me. I can't feel my fingers. Can't feel my damn fingers. I'm gonna bring that frickin' 20-pound propane tank out from behind my seat. I got a hose for it to run the frickin' buddy heater. It's horseshit. I said it a million times. I live nomadically. I should be able to go back to Florida. Even if I could get back there, I gotta jump around park to park to park because everyone's already reserved down there. Fucking crap. I can't believe these damn ducks. Oh, Matthews. Maybe the two that were over here are gone. Where the hell did they go? And make it all go away. You know, these people could just do the right thing. No. It's fair and just justice system. It's anything but. I can't believe that guy running for judge. Can't talk about that stuff. I gotta say what you're frickin'. Here we go. Man, they gotta be cold in there. You're not gonna eat it? Fucking McDonald's, asshole. Man, these things are stupid as hell. I had to change it. Find some other ones if we can. It's a Friday. I was gonna call the courts today. Oh, I called the congressman in September. He said, yeah, we need like 60 days to do our congressional inquiry. Well, it's been over 60 days. It's been well over 60 days. Not a word back. Nothing. They just blow you off. Congressional inquiry. Yeah, we're going to forget about that. I'm going to say we're going to do it. We don't do it. Because they know they're fucked. They know they're completely fucked. Eat the damn food. I'm probably eating it now that I'm gone. So the rest of them on the water, they can find them themselves. Man, there's usually right here. There's a million of them. I think the squirrels will eat them. Eat it. Squirrel. Squirrel. Let's throw it in the water and maybe the frickin' the turtles will eat it. The turtles aren't freaking dead asleep. Oh. This is fucking stupid. I'm thinking of just going down to Florida and taking my chances. And if you don't hear from me in a couple days, I'll be in Land O'Lakes jail and keep an eye on me because they're fucking guaranteed to kill me. Like a sandhill crane. What the hell's he doing up here? Great heron. This is a bust. Oh, there's some ducks. Come here, stupids. I got food for you. I have food for you. I have food for you. These things are sketch. Assholes. These things are assholes. I'm not gonna throw this shit in the garbage. They don't deserve it. Like a frisbee. And they are so stupid. Stupid animals. Never do that again. Alaska. It feels like Alaska here. And make fucking pluck all their feathers out. Takes years. Oh, every single one of them ignored. It's been 7 months. But they haven't replied to my trust case. They straight up deleted my cyber stalking case. And they forged all the records. They altered all the records. And I brought that back to life and they closed it again. My foreclosure was 6 months ago. They ain't done shit with that. And they got these 2 secret court cases on me that I'm not allowed to have any information on. My records request, I get 2 single pages back. All redacted. Completely redacted. And no one will talk to me. No one. Thank you, Sherry. I gotta launch secret court cases. And then I got one from 2022. It was a not a restraining order. Remember, it was like kind of like a restraining order, a protective injunction that they threw in the fucking garbage. They assigned a case number to it, and then never said anything. And I got that on video. The fucking head bitch clerk comes up. She goes, "Yeah, we know all about this. We know all about you." And they just fucking throw it in the garbage. Yeah, this place, people say it's a free country. It's not a free country. And it's highly controlled by fucking secret societies and shit. That's for real. That's for fucking real. All this shit's an illusion. We actually have a fucking legit government. I just sold this place. It's pretty fucking decent. It's always goddamn Freemasons and shit. And they will never say, "Oh, it's not us." They just won't say anything at all. Everyone knows it's them. There's other fucking sects you probably don't even know about. What the hell's missing here? Oh, they moved their whole ass camper out of here. Oh shit, I was here. Where was I? Oh, I was in this spot. Last time I was here. And there was a camper here. And then that guy Mike was down helping her clean out. They straight up pulled it out of here. That's fucking wild. Jeez. I left all this garbage here. Good day. Cold day. This is nice. This hurricane thing. You'd be alright with that. From New York. Oh, it's got two slide outs. They're tall. Oh, the winds come whipping through here. So they like come down and shit. This place is pretty much fucking done for the winter. There ain't nobody out, nobody about. Nobody doing shit. Check out the game room. Yeah, it's a pretty decent sized park. And it's not the friendliest bunch here. It's very rundown. And this guy was keeping ducks out there. I don't know why. I'm just tired of this life. Everybody knows it. I'm sick of it. But people just, they come down during the summer. A lot of these people have houses in the area. They got their own houses and shit. And they just come here on the weekends to fucking cook marshmallows and shit. And it looks nice during the summer. In the spring, oh shit will turn like nuclear green. Wave to everybody. Boy, it can be friendly and shit. Merry fucking Christmas. You piece of shit. Listen. Oh God, my son's here. What's going on? I can't show you the sign. Let's see what's going on the bulletin board. Nothing. And November 1st, that's it. Nothing else going on here. Closed. It's all closed. Even this shit's closed. Is it closed? Oh, that's a grill, like a little grill. There's nothing going on. Everyone left. Everyone's south and shit. Camping season's over. It's fucking over. Done. It's done. It's done. Even the frickin' gambling machine's broken. You can't even gamble here. There's some fucking Marvel versus Capcom. Pac-Man. Ride the fucking Flintstones mobile. Yeah, they got like a little ice cream bar and shit in here. Road trip. What can we win in here? Win Megatron. Empty bag. Shirt. Some fucking stuffed animals from China. Got a little bit warmer to stand in. It's in Florida. I could be in a pool right now. Long trees, tall trees. Long. Long and stuff. Long, tall, high. As long as no one says height. I can't stand it. People say height. 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 It's better when it's Halloween out here. Look at palm trees. I'm gonna be hanging out with palm trees right now. Maybe we'll call this. We'll call this judge. Let's call the judge. Let's do that. This guy's still got Halloween shit out. Got Halloween shit up all year. Oh, this is wet, damp, cold. Fucking gross. gross. This thing's real fucking disgusting to clean off. There's a rug for out here too. Camp. You'll say freaking 6 years of this shit's fucking camping. I'm fucking almost 7 years now. 7 whole years. My family sits idly by and watches. Wait for my destruction. Jeez. Let's call this judge. Grab the computer, we'll call. Call this fucking judge up. Moving everything, constantly moving everything. Shit. This is insane. What the fuck is that? I gotta make something to eat too. Let's call this asshole. It's not private, is it? Thanks a lot. Freaking making things work, as always. Whatever shit sandwich they throw at me, make it work. They just can't help themselves. Heat up something. There's nothing to heat up. It's gonna work. Fucking turned it on like 5 times. I have Google Voice on here. Not sure if Google this one here. Gooful voice. Help if I could spell. There we go. We're in. We're in. Maybe we'll make some bacon and eggs or something. I can't fucking. My hands don't even work. Fingers don't work.
Okay. All right. So let me take a look here. All right. So this is a inquiry on a complaint filed from 2018, correct?
It began around that time, and I've since I've uncovered additional information that I'd like to discuss with you guys.
All right. So James is your caseworker. He is out today. Let me do this. He has been continuing to work on the case. There isn't anything of substance to share quite yet. But what I will do is I'll send him a note on your case, and I'll let him know that you've reached out to look for a status on it, and I'll ask for him to give you a call when he returns to the office next week. Will that work for you, sir?
Yeah, that's fine. Here's the thing. I mean, anything of substance. Since that time, I went on to I just Googled the company or entity that I'm lodging a complaint against, and they were shut down, or they were sued in 2015 by the Federal Trade Commission and the Consumer Financial Protections Board. They were sued like $43 million and had to pay restitution.
Okay.
And this is before that they were told to stop these actions, and they still continued to, and the courts went right along with it.
Okay. Yeah, it's important that your caseworker is able to hear this information from you, but he's out today, like I said. So I'll give him a message to give you a call when he returns next week, okay?
All right. Well, can you
The best number for him to reach you on.
is the one that it either
Information to share with you.
and my question is, if I was told 60 days. If I was told 60 days, and 60 days is come and gone, I didn't even get a check-in from this person. Not one thing.
Okay, all right. I'm so sorry about that. I had some background noise. So
No,
your thing is, if I was told, go ahead.
It's not your fault. I'm on satellite internet right now.
All right, so what was your message to James? I have a message in here for him to give you a call, and then you were asking me a question, and I had to interrupt. I'm so sorry.
A general question was, I was told it would take about 60 days to complete the inquiry. I think we started this in September, and it's now December, so 60 days is come and gone. I never got one, not an email, not a status call, nothing.
We have 60 days for the initial response, and then we can poke them for an update at that point. It's not 60 days from the date that it opens to it being completed and closed.
Okay.
It's 60 days for that initial response to come back. I'm sorry if there was a misunderstanding.
Yeah, I don't think that was conveyed to me, so okay. I appreciate that information.
But I will definitely get this message over to James, and I'll have him give you a call back as soon as he's back next week, okay?
All right. Thanks, Andrew.
All right. You're very welcome.
Okay.
You take care.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Man, it sucks because it keeps cutting out and shit. This goddamn freaking internet. Right, I'm gonna see if there's one more person we can call, and then I'm gonna cut this stream. I'm gonna throw this in my legal playlist. That way, I got the evidence that I'm calling these people. The one thing, the good thing about that congressman is when you call, they'll actually answer, and they're not hostile or anything. When I call the judge's office, nothing. They won't touch my calls. They won't come near my calls. They won't come near me. They will not call me back. And it's unbelievable because these people are in control of your life, and they don't answer to citizens. They don't answer to anybody. That should terrify people. Your life is in their hands, and they want nothing to do with you. Oh, fuck. Department of Justice Civil Rights Division. Let's call them. I don't have a fucking moderator and handles bullshit.
The Department of Justice Civil Rights Division complaint line. Our hours of operation are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Your call is very important to us. Please listen to the menu options correctly. If you're calling after business hours or when our switchboard is busy, you may need to leave a voicemail. Para continuar en español, oprima el número 1. If you do not speak English or Spanish, please press 9 for help getting an interpreter. The Civil Rights Division works to uphold the civil and constitutional rights for all. For additional information about the work of the division, please visit our website, www.justice.gov/CRT. If you're calling to speak with the Assistant Attorney General's office, please understand the Assistant Attorney General is not able to speak with individuals regarding their complaints or concerns. Complaints or reports should be submitted in writing.
So you're not going to get any of these people. The state attorney will not, or the Department of Justice, they won't talk to you. They can't take your complaints. They do not answer. No one answers to the public. You got to put shit in writing. I ain't writing any more shit. Fucking disabled person. Oh, the state attorney.
We start with Suits Attorney. How can I direct your call?
Hi, Christian Hernandez, please.
Give me one moment. Office Bruce Bartlett, State Attorney. This is Caitlin.
Hi, Caitlin. Trying to get a hold of Christian Hernandez, please.
In regard to what case?
I think it's, hold on one sec.
I'm sorry?
1 second, please. I gotta do MM 000966.
And what is your name?
My name's Tasha Teeling.
Tasha, as I've explained, you are the defendant in the case. Mr. Hernandez is unable to speak to you outside of open court.
I have not had a hearing scheduled since April Fool's Day. How am I going to speak to this guy if there's no hearing scheduled? This case is nearly 4 years old now.
I understand, but as I've stated every time, you are the defendant in the case, and we are unable to speak to you outside of open court.
No one will speak. They've labeled me a barred litigant. Where do I go from here? There is no open court.
I apologize, but I can't advise you. I can't even speak to you about this case. Have a good rest of your day.
So you're gonna hang up. You're not gonna give me any answers. Click. All right. So that's a state attorney's office. They corner you, and no one will talk to you. Not a single person will talk to you. They just hang up on you. You try to get a hold of Bruce Bartlett, the actual state attorney. You ain't getting a hold of that guy. I got a document here. The judge won't talk to me. And this is as usual. The judge won't talk to me. State attorney won't talk to me. No one will talk to me. So where do we go from this? Oh, Steve. That's the American justice system. You know, these cops will wrap you up in this shit. Or any politicians say, oh, we got great faith in the American justice system. I'm showing you, it's fucking completely broken. It doesn't work the way they tell you. I put more faith in a goldfish. Yeah, was that lady's name Caitlin over at the state attorney's office? She can't answer any procedural questions. Yes, you can. There's nothing precluding you from doing that. It's procedural misconduct and shit. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna put this in my legal playlist. I'm gonna write them a letter. Instead of handling the stuff I want to handle, working on my life, it's just this. And everyone that's been around here for even a brief period of time knows it. It's just this. This is every single day, every waking moment of my life. It's giving me nightmares. And they've trapped me. I got a paper trail. I just copied over 2,600 files. 2,600 files about these cases. It's daunting. Nobody in the world could figure it out now. 2,600. Let's call Kemba Johnson. Yeah, I'm done with this for today. I'm just done with it. I got other things I need to be doing. That's beyond ridiculous. It's tyrannical, and it's illegal what they're doing. And who's going to stop them? I just called the congressman. They won't touch it. My U.S. congressman will not touch this. And the call to the congressman, they won't touch this. So I launched that congressional inquiry about green tree servicing. They were told to stop doing this. And I just found out about this in 2015. And the judges let him keep doing it. They were sued by the Federal Trade Commission. But they won't touch any of this shit. I checked my federal case today. They ain't done shit with that. They'll probably dismiss that on Monday. The 11th Circuit Court of Appeals got my shit yesterday. I don't even know how to look that up. And then I got my shit in the Supreme Court. The post office, it was supposed to be there last Saturday. It's still not there. I spent $13 to mail that.